Hello students, how are you? So students, what we are going to do today? We are going to write word form from the given numeral form. Word form from the numeral form. So numeral form means numbers are given here and we have to write word form. Okay, suppose first question is 87595 762 and you have to write word form in Indian system as well as in international system. So students, in Indian system, what is the process? In Indian system, we start from extreme right, leaving 3 digits, and after that 2 digits. It is at ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So it will become 8 crore 75 lakhs 75 lakhs 95,000. It is at thousands place. 95,000 762. So this number, it is in Indian system. Suppose we have to write same number in international system. So what we will do? Same, we will start from extreme right, leaving 3 digits, again 3 digits. So it would be ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, then million. As it is international system, 10 million. So it will become 87 million 87 million 500 95,000 762. So what we have done? We have done word form from the numeral form by both the system, Indian system as well as international system. In Indian system, we starts from extreme right and put commas in the starting after 3 digits and after then 2 digits. And in international system, we starts from extreme right but put commas 3 digits, and here 2 digits are left. After that, what we will do? We will write the place value on the top of the digit. Here the place value on the top of the digit according to international system. So it will become 8 crore 75 lakhs 95,762, and in international system the same number will become 87 million 595,762. We will do one more question. In that question, same thing, we are going to do same thing. Suppose number is given 48049831. So Indian system, what will happen? 48049831, 3 digits, 2 digits, 2 digits, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So it will become 4 crore 80 lakhs 80 lakhs 40. In the spelling of 40 there is no U, only FORTY. 49,831. Now we will see the same number in international system. The same number in international system. So 48049831. From extreme right, 3 digits, after then 3 digits. So it will become ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Sorry, as it is international system, so it would be million and 10 million. So it will become 48 million, 48 million. After that 49,000, 800, 831. So this is in international system. So friends, that's all for today's class, and if you have any doubts you can write in the comment section. Bye bye.